Every year, China's latest breakthroughs ignite conversations across the globe. From robotic competitions to AI roadmaps and aviation milestones, China is moving at a speed that shocks even industry insiders. The scale of change is overwhelming. What stands out is not just the ambition, but the fact that these changes are unfolding before our very eyes. Could they reshape how we live, work, and think about the future? Stay tuned as we uncover stories that may redefine tomorrow. And before we begin, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss updates on China's latest breakthroughs in cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit, scheduled in Tianjin from August 31st to September 1st, has sparked renewed focus on cross-border collaboration. At Lenovo's Tianjin Industrial Hub, company leaders revealed how partnerships with Shanghai Cooperation Organization countries have grown deeper. One major effort involves training new talent in manufacturing. In Kazakhstan, for example, a Luban workshop has been built to teach skills in new technological breakthroughs such as deep learning, data mining, and artificial intelligence. Another track of cooperation is helping industries embrace smarter production systems. In an autonomous driving zone, Chinese company PIX Moving is presenting its innovative ultra-skateboard chassis technology, a breakthrough designed to power self-driving shuttles and provide eco-friendly solutions for future mobility. Unlike traditional vehicles, this advanced platform removes the need for a steering wheel or fixed driving space, allowing complete freedom in design. The chassis serves as a flexible foundation where the entire interior can be customized to suit different purposes. It can be transformed into a mobile cafe, a dressing room, a workspace, or even a leisure lounge, opening endless possibilities for personalized autonomous transportation experiences. At Beijing's National Speed Skating Oval, history was made with the world's first fully autonomous 5v5 humanoid robot soccer match. 10 machines played without any human input, sparking amazement and laughter as they moved across the field. Spectators clapped every time a robot stumbled, showing how technology can also feel human. Engineers like Max Pulte from HTWK Robots stressed that these events build trust and cooperation among teams from different nations. Beyond entertainment, the competition offered a glimpse into China's robotic breakthroughs, where machines handle complex tasks once thought impossible. This display of China's latest breakthroughs blends play with progress, proving that innovation can inspire both science and smiles. In Wuhan's Economic Development Zone, often called China's Auto Valley, a factory has redefined industrial power. The plant run by Lantu Auto now rolls out one vehicle every 118 seconds, powered by 5G networks and industrial internet systems. This high-speed line can produce 4 different car models at once, a feat that shows the depth of smart manufacturing. More than 56,000 vehicles have already been sold this year, with sales breaking 10,000 units for 4 months in a row. For many, this is not just about numbers. It is proof that China's latest breakthroughs in intelligent production are reshaping markets. The Wuhan model has now become a living sample of how new technological breakthroughs drive regional growth and industrial transformation. On April 10th, a 2-ton electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft soared into the sky in Wuhan's Hanyang district. Built by Fengfei Aviation, the eVTOL marked the first public low-altitude flight in central China. 2 aircraft were involved in the demonstration, proving their ability to operate in real urban conditions. Previous flights had connected Shenzhen to Zhuhai and even crossed long distances like the 123-kilometer Abu Dhabi journey. This time, the flight in Wuhan represented how China's latest breakthroughs are no longer confined to coastal cities but are spreading inland. The successful test shows how new technological breakthroughs in aviation could soon transform short-distance travel across Chinese cities. Experts say eVTOL aircraft could ease congestion, cut travel times, and reduce emissions in crowded metropolitan areas. Industry analysts also believe that the development of such aircraft will accelerate China's progress in the global race for urban air mobility. Local governments are already exploring infrastructure such as vertiports to support regular operations. With strong policy backing and growing investment, China is positioning itself as a leader in next-generation aviation. The Wuhan flight signals a turning point, showing that commercial adoption may arrive sooner than expected. China's State Council has introduced its AI Plus initiative, aiming to embed artificial intelligence into 6 key sectors, from governance to scientific research. The plan follows a 3-step timeline. By 2027, smart terminals should exceed 70% of use. By 2030, adoption is expected to reach 90%. By 2035, AI integration will support modernization goals nationwide. The roadmap also declares AI as a tool meant for global public benefit, not limited to one region. Analysts see this as one of China's latest breakthroughs in long-term planning, showing not only ambition but also responsibility. Such new technological breakthroughs may soon influence how nations worldwide think about AI policies. The Paris Air Show became a stage for China's latest breakthroughs in aviation. The Aviation Industry Corporation of China presented 30 aircraft models, from stealth fighters to disaster relief drones. The J-35A, a new generation stealth jet, made its first international debut, while other key players like the J-20 and J-10CE drew global attention. Civilian technologies also had their place, including the AG-600M amphibious plane and the AC-352 helicopter developed with Airbus. AVIC leaders stressed decades of effort behind these achievements, promising even greater designs ahead. Together, these presentations reveal new technological breakthroughs that position China as both a military and civilian aerospace power. China's robotics market is no longer just growing, it is racing forward. A Morgan Stanley report shows the sector could rise from $47 billion in 2024 to $108 billion by 2028, with an annual growth rate of 23%. These figures highlight how China's robotic breakthroughs are shaping industries from manufacturing to healthcare. Analysts note the strength of demand across many sectors, pointing to a future where machines are central to productivity. This surge in robotics reflects China's latest breakthroughs in automation, which are quickly setting new benchmarks for global competition. The world is watching how this rise reshapes labor and innovation. At the 2025 World Humanoid Robot Games in Beijing, engineers tested how intelligent machines handle tasks in pharmacy, hotels, warehouses, and industry. Robots carefully separated pills, sorted medicines, and adapted to reflective surfaces that normally confuse sensors. Judges scored them on accuracy and independence. Competitors fine-tuned vision systems and robotic arms to mimic human flexibility. Some teams developed algorithms sending up to 60 signals a second, giving robots exact control over force and placement. This event showcased China's robotic breakthroughs, where machines go beyond demonstration to practical application. For many, these tests symbolize China's latest breakthroughs in blending precision, adaptability, and real-world problem-solving. Shanghai's Pudong district has opened a new industrial park dedicated to isotope drugs, also known as radiopharmaceuticals. Backed by 600 million yuan in funding, the project includes both research and manufacturing hubs. These drugs work like targeted missiles, killing cancer cells while sparing healthy tissue. Clinical trials for breast and prostate cancer therapies are already underway. The park also links with top hospitals and universities, creating a complete innovation chain from lab to bedside. This development highlights China's latest breakthroughs in biopharma, merging healthcare needs with industrial capacity. In Shaanxi's Taiyuan Botanical Garden, a 60-meter-long escalator has turned into a cultural highlight. Visitors are drawn not only by its convenience, but also by its stunning starry night lighting display. Each ride feels like moving through a galaxy where travel and art meet. Families, tourists, and photographers flock to capture the experience. For many, this escalator is more than a utility. It is proof that China's latest breakthroughs can blend daily function with imagination. Such creative touches remind us that new technological breakthroughs are not only found in factories or labs but also in places where people seek joy.